Hello, my name is Jean-Luc Pasquier. I'm a master gardener. We are at the beginning of spring. It's the right time to prepare the vegetable garden and to plant the first crops. In a raised bed or in the vegetable patch, I start by grouping all the perennial vegetables that stay in the ground all year round. Then I go over and clean up the surface with a weeder, perfectly removing the weeds without damaging the roots. Dandelions or dock have tap roots, and the Swiss Hurry Hurry is the only tool that can effectively pull out this tough weed. I finish by raking the soil with a cultivator to remove crop residue as well as any remaining weeds. The cultivator also helps to aerate the soil by breaking up the crust formed during the winter. Now that the area is clean, I will add some potting soil to fill it in. I take the opportunity to feed the soil with compost and mix it in with a hand fork. It's ready. All I have to do now is to sow and plant the seedlings. They have been soaked in water beforehand to add more water to the soil. So much easier with a good trowel. I also use this great tool for planting bulbs or making furrows for seedlings. The tomato and the aubergines will be planted later, when there is no longer any risk of frost. Enjoy!